my hair started to fall off when I was around 25 years old. 35, I think I completely gone bald. So I accepted it. I tried a few medicine recommended by friends, and I saw a few doctors. They gave me some treatments, but actually there is no cure or treatments for hair loss. Once you go bald forever. Well, I accepted it and I lived with it. Here and there, sometimes I felt a little bit, sad, and I wished, that I had hair like some of my other friends. But now that I have this and I see this hair system on my hair, I wish I actually knew about this much more earlier.